Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by locking onto a likely zone and preparing purposefully. Check a local rain forecast showing at least 60% within 24 hours. Rainy pandas are active in wet conditions. Once done, pack waterproof boots, a small camera, binoculars, and a headlamp so you can move quietly and see low-contrast shapes. Next, select bamboo patches or stream edges inside a 1 to 3 kilometer radius and move in before dusk. You want stealth and timing, so minimize noise, scent, and bright lights as you approach. You now shift into active tracking mode and interpret signs the rainy panda leaves behind. Walk slowly along stream edges and soft soil, scanning for 1-3 centimeter paw prints or disturbed bamboo culms. These indicate recent passage. Once you detect activity, move downwind and listen for low rustles or chewing sounds 2 to 6 meters away. Then set a camera trap at 30 to 50 centimeters height, 3 to 5 meters from the suspected path, to record movement without human presence interfering. You finish by making a cautious, deliberate approach to confirm the sighting and secure evidence. Move at about 1 to 2 meters per second with regular pauses so you don't startle the animal. If the panda appears, stop immediately and avoid direct eye contact while slowly retreating to a safe distance. Once distant, photograph from afar and log GPS coordinates, time, weather, and observed behavior. Troubleshooting tip: if the panda flees repeatedly, increase distance, wait 30-60 minutes, then review camera footage.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.